So you leave with the sunlight. Just when it's getting good, you hit me with a goodbye. Same thing every night, I can never get enough time. I want more, yeah. I want more of that moonlight, that candlelight, that red wine that's gone too soon till the wet your fingertips that linger in. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Before I get into it, thank you for watching so far. Please watch through the end because I'm going to show you how to do the different strumming patterns and things. But also please hit subscribe so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And please hit like if you think the video is even remotely good. Then YouTube will serve it up to more people, okay? Also, if you guys have other song requests or questions, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo. I love that because it's just raw guitar, super easy and simple to play. Okay, so we're only going to do 3 chords for this song, all right? I'm going to show you the different orders and stuff, but first you do C, all right? You're also going to do D, and you're going to do E minor. You can probably already hear the song, okay? So, the way that you play this is you start out at the intro, you're going to do C, D, E minor, D, okay? So you do C, D, E minor, D. And then you're going to play that twice with no lyrics. So you're going to do. Okay, just like that. All right. Or if you want, you can do down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, you can also do that if you want, but I'll kind of leave it up to you. I think for the intro, it sounds better if you're doing a little bit more of the strumming. If you're doing the down, down, up, 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 down. Just because if you're playing it just by yourself on an acoustic guitar, it sounds better if you kind of give it some variance, all right? But you can just start it out doing a mute like that. So you do C, D, E minor, mute, D, C, mute, D, E minor, mute, D. Okay, and then as you do the second time going through and you do that last D, you're gonna start singing the lyrics. Okay, every night at 12 o'clock. Okay, so you're gonna go straight from that D to D on. Every night at 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay, because it's kind of like echoes. So you're gonna do C is on 12 o'clock. Okay. Every night at 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So what you're going to do is mute, and that's how you're going to play it. That one way I showed you to do the intro, that's how you're going to play the verses. You're going to do every night at 12 o'clock, on the dot, it never fails. You call me. Okay, so you're going to do C, mute, D, E minor, mute, D, C, mute, D, E minor. D. Now, the one thing you can do if it makes it easier, you don't have to do the slap. I think it sounds better, and I actually think it sounds better if you do a little bit of a loud slap on that too. But it's up to you. You don't have to do that. So you could skip that and just do. Just like that. C, D, E minor, D, C, and you'll just repeat that through the verses, okay? So I'm just going to show you real quick where you do it. So you're going to do every night at 12 o'clock on the dot. It never, okay? It never is D. Never is D. It never fails. You call, okay? Call is E minor. You call me up is the echo. Talking about you had, okay? You had, and in this part, he's talking so fast that you don't have to necessarily try and do it right when he says had. Just do it with the same timing. You talking about you had a bad day, so you pulling. Okay, so you're pulling is going to be C. Pulling up. You're pulling up. So I pour a cup of just. Okay, just is D. Just what you need. Okay, just as D. E minor is need. Just what you need, because I know what you need. Okay, then that second need is going to be D. All right, then you're gonna start over and you're gonna do C. You're gonna go C. I love it. C on right before I. I love it when you want to sleep at my. Okay, my is D. My place. All right, so D is on my place. Then E minor. All right, I love it when we dance. I think he says we, but I like it better to say we're. I love it when we're dancing down the hall. Okay, hallway is going to be D again. Hallway. And then you go to C. All right, C, but when you leave, it puts me in a bad as D, bad place. Okay, and then you're going to go to E minor. Will you stay? Come on, please stay. Okay, so E minor is on will. Will you stay? Come on, please stay. All right, I'm not going to sing the whole part for you because I'm just showing you where you play everything. Okay, so then here's the strumming pattern you're going to do for the chorus. So the chorus is going to be that same C, D, E minor, D. You're going to play that for most of the song. You won't play that for the bridge, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But you're going to play the same thing for the chorus. You're going to do, but you do the strumming pattern differently. Okay, so you're doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay. You come around unannounced, you leave with the sunlight. Okay, so you're gonna do down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, that's what you're gonna do the whole time in the chorus. Okay, so you're gonna start with C. You come around unannounced, you leave with the sun. Okay. So you do start with C and you go to sunlight. Light is going to be D. Sunlight, just when. Okay. Just when it's getting. So just when is going to be E minor. Just when it's getting good, you hit me with the goodbye. Okay. Goodbye is D. Goodbye. Same thing. Okay. Same as C. All right. Same thing every night. I can never get enough. Okay. At the end of enough, you're going to do D. Enough time. Okay. Enough time. I want more of you. Okay, you're gonna do E minor pretty soon after D. Never get enough time. Want more of you. Okay, so you go D. Never get enough time. Enough time. I want more of you. Okay, so you're gonna do E minor before you get to I. Want more of you. I want more. Okay, so you go, I want more. All right. You're kind of doing like a quick I want more, but you're going to do I want more of that moon. So I want more of that is going to be D. More of that moon. Okay. Moonlight is going to be C. Moonlight, that candlelight, that red wine that's gone. Okay, then it kind of like echoes this part, the lyrics, but it's gone too soon. Okay, so gone too soon. Gone is D. Gone too soon. Okay. Soon. Your silhouette, your fingertips, you're lingering. And then you're just going to go. So you're going from that E minor. Remember we said you just do the C, D, E minor, C over and over. So you're going to do that right here. You do, you stay on that E minor. And then you're going to go, your silhouette, your fingertips, you're lingering. Okay, then after lingering, you're going to do D. And you're going to go right back into D. You ain't going nowhere. Okay, and then you're going to go back into how you were doing that, the slaps or just the single strums. Okay. Now the one thing that's different in this song that I haven't shown you yet is the bridge. Okay, so what you're gonna do with the bridge is you're just gonna do single strums for C. Okay. All right, so you're gonna do, girl, we're running, running, running from the truth. Okay, so you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna do it again when you do, but we don't have to, so you don't have to. Okay, you're just gonna do single strums there. Now, the last thing I showed you how to do the first chorus. At the end of the second chorus, we're gonna go, yeah, it's gone too soon. Okay, gone too soon. Right, gone too soon. You're gonna do, yeah, it's gone too soon. Okay, see, so yeah, it's D is gone. Yeah, it's gone too soon. Okay, so that soon is C, soon. It's gone. Okay, remember you're doing the same chord progression. It's gone too soon. Too soon, soon. Okay, so you're gonna do soon. Okay, E minor, soon. Okay, E minor, D, just like that. Okay, that's it. That's how you play the whole song. It's super easy, and it's a great song. So let me know if you guys have any song requests or anything, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.